It's whatever. I'll just have some fun passing people, I guess. This actually works more in my favor, I think, in the end.
Looks like we'll have about 30 on the grid again today, guys. Let's show patience and get spread out before we start racing.
Nope. 3 wide, turn 1.
What do you say there? I had it muted for a second.
He said there's 30 cars. Wait to race till we're all spread out.
No.
That's what I said.
It'll be one to go at the line.
I race when I want to race.
3 wide, turn 1.
I'm sorry? We in any position to start saving? No.
Just want to go to bed.
No, we're fine. 10-4.
Hey, James,
looks
Paul
like
called
it's
your
still
car
closed,
dirty.
Jonathan, you beat me by
What?
1,000.
Chris, I like your scheme a lot.
Krishnar 73?
Thanks.
Do you watch that show?
All the time. Yes.
I love it.
It's a great show.
That it is.
Matter of
Wilms, I
fact,
don't hear you yet.
have 2 long sleeve t-shirts and a
I
regular
screwed
t-shirt
up.
of
I
theirs.
should have practicing in that 8 car last night before I went to sleep. And then hop in here and do this. That was a horrible mistake.
Yeah, when I got up this morning, that's all I did. I got up about 4:30 this morning. And all I did was race this
Good
car.
God.
Didn't get anything else.
I gotta run 3 different cars here in the next 5 hours.
I've been up
luck
since
here, buddy.
11 a.m. yesterday.
3
Yeah, boy.
cars here in the next 3 hours. What the? Is this an 8
Yeah,
car?
good luck, guys. Have fun.
Good luck.
Oh, I get it. Exaggeration. There we go. Is
He gone?
Nick alive? Like, I haven't heard him talk at all.
Northrop.
What?
Hi.
Okay. I was just making
Hey,
sure
he's
you're
starting-
alive, buddy.
He's starting into my left here. Him and I wanted to go through the field.
Go past that.
Of
Of course, I
starting-
got Grumpy
I'm
Cat
starting
staring
right
at me
next to-
again. I don't know how I
I'm
pull
starting
this off.
diagonal
Gentlemen,
from
I'll be going
Northrop,
to the inside here so I can let
Every
everybody
week, it
by.
never fails. I
We'll
start
all
next to
be,
behind Grumpy Cat.
We'll all be pulling our way through here. Woo!
Hey, welcome back, Chris.
Alright, bud, we're gonna have to go around at 58.
Uh-oh, we got the chipmunk.
Gerbil.
Alright, bud, we're gonna have to go around at 50.
Chipmunk has returned.
Hello?
Hello? Hi.
How many people got fucking ULs?
2 or 3.
I feel like I'm moving way far up. Alright, we're in a nice tight little pack here, Scala.
You don't have to worry about me, brother.
Oh, you don't have to worry about me. I'll be
Make sure
bumping
you don't
people out
order
of the
the
way.
down here to start. I'll get you
Attaboy.
clear off the 2. You can go get them.
Especially that Cheeto car 2 cars ahead of me.
He's trouble.
Alright, man.
Which went?
Ace car is in. Green.
Talking about nobody going.
I know, right?
58, now supposed to change lanes
Yeah.
before the stop finish line.
Inside by himself down there.
Jesus Christ.
He didn't pass him.
Still there at your door. You're
What
clear
is
back.
going on,
All clear
Skelly?
by 3, no pressure back here. Door. Still there. Still there. There you go. Still down there.
I should not be able to
Door.
pass people on the outside
You
lane.
can get down in front of me there, Mike.
Clear.
Thanks.
Door. Door. Still outside. Outside. Clear, 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 clear. There you go. Still outside. Clear. There you go, bud. Find
You
still
can
out
go
there.
like 24 laps on field just
Still
saying.
there. Still there. All clear, all clear. Door. There you go, bud. Door.
Sorry, Scott. I
All
had to
clear. Good
freaking
job.
check up for the guy
Oh
in front of me.
my god.
Caution's gonna be out. Caution's out. Caution is out. 22 's front.
Oh
Outside of
my
it.
god.
7.
I don't know what the
I
hell
know
they
it's
were
just
doing.
blinked
in front of me.
out.
But you would agree that Jack
I
I know you
still
didn't.
king, right?
That might. All right, guys.
I did.
Thought I
Still
saw you
closed
did.
here, Stevie, is
What
still
was that,
closed.
guys? Why were you stopped? Come on around 27.
Checking up. Turn 2.
That was insane. Holy crap.
Checking up for base cross, turn 2.
Kevin's telling me to let you by.
Car check up in front of me, so I don't know if that was technically your fault. 70.
Was telling me.
I don't know how I made it through
All right,
that.
guys, whose fault?
It will open this time. Should be clearing.
You're probably
cleared
going to
up.
have to go back and review that one. Somebody got loose on the inside, and then somebody was stopped up on the outside.
All right, they check up in front of me,
Go up there behind the 10.
slam on my brakes, stay off of them.
52 pit.
Cressel, you might want to pit.
I'm good.
You have rear end damage.
That's fine.
Alright. Yeah, club rooms at the top of the stands. Do they flash in and out for you guys?
Yeah, they're doing it on mine.
Thank you. I'm glad I'm not the only one.
I don't know what happened to the guys in front of me. I went in turn 1. The guy like on the clear
Go past
outside
that
for some reason he went
57.
up, and the guy that was
Past
directly
that
in front of me hit his
57.
brakes even though he didn't need to.
All right, behind that.
I about ran him over.
77.
Yeah, it's a good start.
I think it's just stupid that they don't want us to like race hard until everybody's all spread out.
No, I don't mind a racing our
Because I
part, but
could
it's
have
they-
taken it 3 wide right there on the bottom and not had an issue.
Solid gold. Thanks for the follow, man.
I just knew as soon as I hit the brake, I'm about to get the worst of this.
Come on, Dan, come on.
You too, Mike.
All of a sudden, bam, turn 2 wall, boys.
No, the guy who was in front of me, like he was, I don't know, he drove it so hard into the corner, he started washing up, and then he started turning back down on me, and then he hit his brakes. Because I think he thought he was going to get into the car on the outside. That was slow. I don't get how I go from the A car and having 84 frames here perfectly fine to the B car and running 70 frames. And like it stutters every now and then.
I don't know, man. It could be the resolutions on the cars. I have no idea. I know they were trying to fix that with that update or whatever.
It'll be one to go at the line. The inside road.
Shouldn't be battling yet. It's a race. What do you want me to do? Just sit here and chill?
Which you shouldn't be able to do here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Pause, guys. I'll just pull over and stop, you know.
Yeah.
Lap 74, it's too early.
Alright, man. Coming to the green.
I'll try to
Sorry.
go
No,
your way
I'm
as soon as I
fucking-
can, Crystal.
You're fine. This actually might work into my hands perfect.
Okay, ace car is in. Green, green, green. Rolling good front. Don't pick up. Keep coming in. Outside at your door. Bumper. Good job, man. Just keep digging here. Keep being consistent. Still there. Door. Got loose. Still there. Door. Got loose. You're all clear. You're all clear. Outside, still there, door. Clear. At your door, bumper, 2 outside. Door, bumper, 2 wide, 2 wide. You're clear, you're clear, you're clear. Outside, outside, outside. Bumper, bumper. Clear, clear, clear. Great work, buddy. Way to switch around. Nice work. Outside by himself. Extra door. Still there. Bumper. Clear by 1. Clear by 1.
Take it low, Mike.
Outside, outside. Still there.
Thanks, Shane.
You're clear.
Take it low, Matt.
Outside door. Bumper, bumper. Still there. Clear high, clear high, clear high.
Thanks.
Be hoping for a caution here, but
At your door.
I'm sorry.
Still there at your door. All clear. Big O, 1 outside, 1 outside. Still there. Clear. Door, bumper. Still there. He's still there. Clear, clear, clear.
Yeah, this is my favorite track, Solid. Well, it's not my favorite track, but it's a good track combination. Plus with the amount of fuel, 70% fuel, I think you said.
That's a good corner, bud. Really good
It's
corner.
a good set.
Great back,
I like
man.
it.
Just keep doing that right there. You're driving away.
Wee, you're not saving your tires, are you?
I am.
I wouldn't waste your time doing that because you only have 25 max laps on your full.
Yeah, but my lap, my tires will be better for 17 laps now.
Okay.
Outside bumper. Still up there. Extra door. Still there. Clear high, clear high, clear high.
Sorry, Nick. I didn't think I was gonna go that way, man.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Come on, Lotion.
Door. Bumper. He's still there. Bumper. Door.
Sucks to get hung up there, doesn't it, Mike?
He's still there.
Can't hold.
There you go. 2 back. 3 back.
Did I push you up
So your
there?
right front fan off if you would like. It'd be fine.
Oh.
Clear high there.
If I did, I'm sorry, man.
No, you didn't. That was all me.
I'm so sorry about that. I did not mean to push up like that.
Outside at your door. Bumper.
Sorry,
By
T-Rex,
himself.
nothing else.
By himself. You're clear. You're clear.
Thank you.
So no pressure, man. You'll get him here. Sign the patient in. You'll get him. Door. Door. Not on your real tight there. He's still there, though. Still there. Still there. Door. Bumper still there, man. You've made a ton of time there, bud. Ton of time. Can I have a water temperature, please, when you have a moment? Still there.
Go ahead, Matthew.
Thank you.
44 pitting this time by.
4-car pit this time by.
10 pitting. 10 pitting this time.
46 pitting.
When you
Stay high,
pitting,
stay
Nick?
high, stay high, stay high.
Within 7
Leaders
laps.
in this lap, Stevie. All right, buddy, the black two are real good. Let's use this clean air. Looking really nice.
Both pitting.
Go ahead, put your right
33
into
pitting.
one. Run about 5/4 right into one.
Did you pit on that restart?
Nope.
That last caution? Oh, well, I got a little bit more fuel than you.
Forty-four coming out.
23 pitting.
13's pitting.
There's smoke up here.
4-car entering the track.
Good save, whoever it was.
James, I am sorry.
$25 pitting this time, guys.
33 back. Inside, Mike. Thanks, sir.
All right, this time.
13 exiting pits.
$25 exiting pits.
58 pitting this time. 58 pitting this time.
Pitting in, Justin, pitting in. Pitting in. Pitting in, pitting in.
$27 pitting this time by.
Number 3 pitting next time.
52 pitting next time by.
6-car pitting this time by.
77 pitting.
5 pitting.
78 pitting.
52
Leaders in this lap,
pitting.
Stevie.
58 pitting. Go high. 8 pitting, 8 pitting. 58 pitting out.
Leaders in this lap, Stevie.
I think Teddy took 2 tires.
Leaders in this lap, Stevie.
Number 3 exiting.
8-9 exiting.
52 exiting.
6 exiting.
There you go. Really good
6
corner.
exiting the backstretch.
Door. Still up there.
Thank
Clear,
you.
clear. Great job, bud.
Yep.
Really good corner. Good job.
Stay high, James. Good, sir.
By himself there. One bar. Outside door. Clear high,
Thank
clear
you.
high, clear high, clear high, clear high. You've made a ton of time there, bud. Ton of time. Can I have a water temperature, please, when you have a moment? Door,
On
middle of
inside,
the track,
Mike.
still there. He's still there. Clear.
Thanks, Tim.
Thank you, Andy.
Good say, Brent.
I'll look down at the relative.
Oh, pass low.
Thanks, Mike. On inside up here, Ted. Thanks, Tim.
Outside at your door. Bumper. He lets you go. You're clear. You're clear. We're halfway in the race right here, but halfway.
You guys are pitting already?
I don't feel good. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, I understand. Get some rest, dude.
Take it low, Randy.
Thank you. I'm not pushing it, but I've gotten this thing pretty good through the middle now.
Yeah,
If I don't see it before, I'll see it Tuesday night.
How about
Thanks, Ted.
User disconnected
How
from your
did
channel.
Teddy get way the fuck up?
Took 2 tires.
Thanks, Brent.
Sorry for you, Sue. Inside, Ted. Clear.
Thanks, Brent.
Inside, Nick.
One outside here. One outside. On your tight. Still there. Clear, clear, clear.
Can I make it? 24 laps. Yeah, we'll make it.
Inside, Chris.
You guys should have pitted on that
Thank you.
first pit stop.
Yep.
I'm gonna make it on one more stop.
No problem, Chris. Inside, Jonathan. Clear.
Thanks, Maurice.
Come on inside, Justin.
Thank you.
Outside, fine, still. Bumper still there. He's still there, still there. Still up there. Clear about one, clear
Thank
about
you.
one.
No worries. I know you
Don't
got
worry
4
about
tires.
them here.
'44 is gonna be pitting. Pass me high there, bud.
Thanks, Mike.
By himself, nice and easy in, still there.
Sandy.
Clear high.
No, I'm wrecking you.
Thank you, Craig.
.33 pin this time.
'44 pitting out.
Thanks, James.
Yep.
I was gonna try to get you on the straightaway so I could push you up there.
Pitting.
Oh, I got damage.
He's 4 away at the line, 4 away at the line. So let's watch that left front coming to pit road, buddy.
Four-car pit.
Thumb went numb, hung up on the outside like that.
13's pitting this time.
46 pitting.
33 pitting out.
'23 pitting.
Come on down.
$25 pitting. $25 pitting.
All right, buddy, this time, I need you up pit road.
Four-car entering track.
46 coming in. 13 section pits.
25 exiting.
It's stupid.
Pitting this time.
Pitting.
Big 2X and pitch.
Oh, sorry, wee wee.
Clear low, side door.
58
There,
pitting
door.
out.
By himself, no pressure behind him. Leaders in this lap, Stevie, clear.
Pitting.
Number 3 pitting next time.
8's pitting.
77 pitting.
There you go.
Six pitting this time by.
Leaders in this lap, Stevie. Enter door, bumper, pulling it. Leaders in this lap, Stevie. Still there to door. All clear. Just one outside. There you go. Just one outside. There you go. Still out there. He's still there. Still outside. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You are all clear there.
A9 getting on the track. Thanks, Randy.
You bet, I'm just gonna follow you. You're faster than I am.
No runs in your mirror there.
Number 3 exiting.
6 exiting this backstretch.
Better save your fuel, wee wee.
Mr. Taylor, if I get to holding you up, let me know.
I hate it when you're right.
You're fine.
So,
All right, thank you, sir.
Come on, Low. Thanks, Mark.
Teddy, take me low here, bud.
Save a little fuel so I know I'm gonna be good.
Thanks, Andy.
Older than Mike.
That was a little bit of overdriving there right there.
Just a wee bit.
Yeah, I will.
I'm pitting this time, Mike. Pitting this time.
I hope we don't have a caution.
10-4.
'44 pitting.
Thank you, Craig.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yep.
46 pitting.
Outside door. Still there. All
Thank you.
clear, all clear. If you did shut your tire fan off, make sure you turn it back on. You're coming to 10 to go.
You trying to rev the clear coat off that thing?
Oh, got to give the crew something to do. Take it inside.
Hey, 23, that's not very nice.
At your door. Bumper.
Thank you, Tim.
Bumper.
Sorry,
Pull it in. You're
Sorry
clear
about that,
high.
Eddie, man. I just felt super tight underneath you there.
Yeah, you disappeared for like a second. I'm like, oh god, there you are.
46 showing her back straight.
Thirteen's pitting.
Inside. Bumper still there.
There goes some more clear coat.
All clear, all clear.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Thirty-three pitting in this time. high, landing must be low.
5 to go, no pressure.
Thank you, 23.
Inside, Mike.
I won't wreck.
Clear all the way around, man.
Thanks, Ben. I'm surprised you want to be on that side, isn't it?
See 4 away at the line, 4 away at the line. So let's watch that left front coming to pit road, buddy.
Crew chief's crazy if he thinks I'm
Ready to know.
pitting.
Outside door, bumper. All clear, all clear.
Thanks, Doc.
Thank you.
By himself out there, no running your mirror.
That was close.
Clear. Gonna be 2 to go right here, 2 to go. Everything's still clear up here, 2 to go.
Aw. Well, never mind. We wouldn't have it if we had a caution. I'd still win because of the 5-lap rule thing.
Take it inside.
Thanks, Tim.
White flag this time, bud. All right, let's come this time. Let's come this time. That's enough. This time. Comes up quick. It comes up quick, and we got to give a little up. Just make sure we get there.
Don't do it, Wilms.
Do what?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yes. I got
Good race, guys.
Yeah, man, you
Fun
got it.
racing.
Good win, Nick.
Thanks, guys.
Good win, Nick.
I wasn't
Show
gonna
me
wreck you,
something.
dude. I was just staying.
Don, I want to see some
Thanks,
I
donuts.
was
guys.
surprised you were able to make it that far, Nick.
I pitted on the first caution.
I made it and got
Yeah,
third,
but
Nick.
what I'm
Yeah,
saying,
good
you
racing,
were
guys.
only going about
It's one of
21,
the
22
most
on I think a fuel I was
respectful
noticing.
racing
I was the
we've
only
had
one that was able to get farther than that to get
That's
to
the way,
the lap, and I was surprised you
the
were
way
already
it
that
has
far.
to be done.
I was saving in the last
Good
run
racing,
a little
guys.
bit.
Enjoyed it. Good job there, Jonathan, at the end.
Wasn't much though.
A lot of fun, gentlemen.
Thanks,
A lot of
Katie.
I probably could have got up there more and more, but
That
that
was a
wreck
good
put me
race,
back. I
guys.
had to go catch up again.
I am out of gas.
That's going on. I'm coasting along trying to cross the start-finish line.
Tim, appreciate the league, man.
Nick, I made it, but I barely made it.
Yes, sir, Brent. Glad to have you.
Nice.
Like, I went out right before
Yeah,
the line.
guys, good race, everybody.
And fourth was right behind me.
Congratulations, Nick. Good win, good race, everyone.
Yeah, thanks, man.
That darn wreck cost me getting up there even further. It sucks.
Had a good run. Even though I ran out of gas, I held my position. I finished ninth.
Good win, Nick.
All right, boys, I'm gonna go do
Thanks,
my
Brent.
second thing. I'll be back.
Later.
See you, Mikey.
Gotta get this pit stop thing
you
sorted.
later, Michael.
Speeding coming in and speeding going out.
Yeah,
Have a
it's
good
a
day,
disappointing happy 6. I'll take it, Dylan. I'll take it with a smile.
Yeah, Maurice, that was my issue last week, I think. I did alright this week with pits, but the wall beat me this time.
Not the wall.
Dude, I love this setup that was in the car. It was awesome.